Alright guys, it's been a while, but I'm back. I actually got the kit installed, so yeah, this is gonna be, for you guys, this is gonna be the first startup. For me, it's gonna be the second startup. The kit looks nice. You know, I mean, there's a few issues, you know. I gotta, still in the works of being tuned, finally, with the kit on. This thing been sitting in the back of my trunk for like months. I don't know, I said that in the other video, my last video. It's literally been months since my Kraftwerks kit's been sitting in my trunk. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a quick startup before I go in. Alright, I got 125 when I put it on, 125,000. And I need an oil change. So, here goes the start. Car's running. But like I said, there's a couple things. I'm having an issue with idle. I contacted Vit. He said it might be my fuel pump. Maybe they put an aftermarket seal on it as opposed to the OEM. He said the OEM works better, is the one that we should be using. So yeah, I gotta bring it back, see what's up. I'm putting a wideband and an air fuel sensor. Wait, what am I saying? That's the same thing. A wideband and a boost gauge. So that and that is gonna be filled up soon, probably like by the end of this week, if not next week. My O2 sensor, I have to take it and plug it directly into my header, and from there I'm just gonna continue tuning with Vit. Hopefully get close to 400. I'm aiming for like 380ish, 390. I mean, the kit coming out the box states I'll get 380 out of it, but I want to see if I could, you know, get a couple upgrades here and there. Maybe E85. Actually, no, I'll tune for E85 afterward, but I'm gonna tune for 93 octane first. I'm trying to squeeze 380 to 400 out of this baby, so we'll see how that goes. So I'm gonna pop the trunk, give you guys a little glimpse of the kit. Got the 110mm pulley, so out of the box that's like 380. Yeah, I've seen a couple guys do 360 with it. Stays cool, man. No type of heat on this thing. It's cool. But yeah, 100mm pulley. Hoping to get 380 as the website states. And also, my 4-bar map sensor. That might be the issue causing my car to idle and stall out also, so I gotta put that in there. This intercooler those booming motor mounts. That's the car. Whee! All right, so that's the update on the 8th gen Civic. Actually, no, that's the update on the cleanest 8th gen Civic in Jersey. So, I mean, I'll get you guys, I guess, on my next either calibration upload or the next data log I do. I guess I'll take you guys for a ride along, show you how it's done if you guys don't know by now. And I guess do a little vlog maybe. And that, I'm thinking of getting new tires. I need new brakes for this because with all this horsepower, can't go fast without stopping. I think I did that in my little first mods vid. So yeah, brake upgrade and tire upgrade is in the works. I got the little check engine light. That's for my air fuel, my O2 sensor. It's not plugged in directly to the header, so I gotta. I'm catless, so yeah, so I gotta do that either today or first thing tomorrow. Actually. Alright guys, I just got the O2 sensor fixed up this morning. I got the uploaded the Vit calibration that he sent me, VitViper calibration for the Supercharger kit, and look what happened. Also got an oil change. No more check engine light. The infamous check engine light is gone. And yesterday I took a video. I said my car was idling funny. Once I got the oil change, car's running smooth. Like, it's idle, staying at 1K. So that's good. Things are looking good, YouTube. Things are looking good. But yeah, I'll get this and this filled in next week, actually, because I spent the money on getting an oil change, fixing the O2, gas, everyday life stuff. So I don't want to mess. I mean, I probably could try, but I don't want to try and like fail. So I've never put boost gauges or air fuel ratio wideband gauges before. So I'll just, I guess, have a friend do it or bring it to a shop. I don't mind paying for that, but yeah, so that's how it's looking so far. No check engine. I had that check engine light for months. Like, it was so annoying looking down every day at that thing. But it's finally gone, so finally. Okay. Dang it, I forgot the mic.